आप सभी मेरे अपनों को मेरा बहुत बहुत प्रणाम। जय श्री राधे, जय श्री कृष्ण। Today we all are here to discuss on the particular topic, who is knowledgeful here. There was some reason that's why I chose this topic, and this is very one of the important topic for we all. Sometimes just we people starts thinking like that, I am a foolish person, and the frontier is very intelligent. Yeah, definitely, because it is the human nature that's we can think like that. But the thing that I am going to say is very important for we all. Okay, as far I remember, at that time I was in standard 9, and at that time I used to print a two-page magazine there, and in which there were 20 or 25 points were mentioned. So out of 25 points, one point was that always remember, always keep one thing in our mind, that we all are knowledgeful person. So I used to mention one thing there, that everyone is a knowledgeful person here. Everyone is a knowledgeful person here from his birth, from his birth. If we people are understanding at that, and if you people are thinking that after surviving, after means after completing a lot of, after completing many years, just three people becomes a knowledgeful person, so it is not good. Now definitely, now I can explain this through the example. Let us suppose why I said that I am already a knowledgeful person. I am already means just we are talking about we all ourselves. So I am a knowledgeful person. Knowledgeful person, why I am saying like this, that's why there is a reason here. Try to understand. Let us suppose I am giving you a practical example. If you suppose, if you visited in your room, and if room is dark, okay, so you can find one thing, that you will be not visible to see anything, okay, in the room, because it was not visible. You try to understand. But already there are many things that are kept in the inside the room, but despite that you will be not able to see that, in the absence of light. In the absence of light, we people are not able to see that, but it does not mean that thing was not there. Already there are many things: freeze, cooler, refrigerator, TV, television, and the books, flana dikana, everything were kept there. But despite that, we people are not able to see that, because lack of light, in absence of light. But it does not mean there was nothing, वहाँ कुछ नहीं है. Already, are you getting my point? As I hope that you people are understanding what I am saying. So in the same way, things were kept there, but despite that, in absence of light, we people were not able to see that. Are you getting my point? Similarly, in this case, already everything, every knowledge, everything is resides in us, but we people are not aware about that. Are you getting my point? Yeah, as compared to my age, just it is very big thing that not need to say, but under the guidance of my Gurudev, under the guidance of you all, my prestigious, under the guidance of my respected mother and father, under the guidance of Mataji. So all those things that I learned from there, that always I used to explain in front of you all, my dear and near ones. So basically, it is not simple for me, and I used to make a video like this, so only and only to aware you all about something. And one of the reason behind the making a video is that I feel very happy after that. Okay, so if I am uploading such type of video in on the YouTube, so it does not mean that I want popularity. If you people remember that in and no, I am not. I said don't say anything about you have to subscribe or like my video. In any video I don't use to say such type of things, because if you people are listening me, if you people are understanding what I am saying, if you people are, because always I follow the Sant Mahatma. So Sant Mahatma always says sometime it happens just not need to say anything, just always we people should try to say something in front of the people. So that's why I am speaking something like this. So if I am speaking and if you people will learn something from me, so definitely you will like or subscribe. Okay, so some people from you just starts thinking like that, directly or indirectly I am saying that you have to subscribe. No, हमें कहने से किसी के कहने से कोई सब्सक्राइब नहीं करता, किसी के कहने से कोई लाइक नहीं करता. ठीक है. One of the thing, let us suppose, just people can understand this through the example. When election camp, just people start, the candidates starts distributing saris and rupees in among the people. So people definitely say that yeah, definitely I will vote you, but at the time of voting just people do only one that thing that he wants, जो वो चाहता है वही वो करता है. So similarly if I am saying that just you have to subscribe or like, definitely you will do that you want. So not need to worry about that, and that's why I don't say such type of things. So basically there is one thing, that's why I am explaining such type of thing. And so who is knowledgeful? Every, already we all are knowledgeable person. That's why I said one example. कौन सा? Already things were kept in the inside the room, but despite that we people are not able to see that. But it does not mean that things were not there. Things were there, but in the absence of light we people are not able to see that. Okay. Now the second thing is that in the human body, let us suppose, how can I say that I am not, we all are knowledgeful, but despite that we are not understanding what I am. Okay, are you getting my point? Some people, some Sant Mahatma, some intelligent people says that if you, कहते हैं ना कि जैसी संगति वैसी रंगति, कि if you are following any an ideal person, if you are following any good personality, if you are following any, so it means just directly or indirectly if you are following some knowledgeable person, so definitely more or less but you will learn something from there. Okay. And when you people starts implementing all those things in yourself, so definitely you will find that कहते हैं ना जानत तुम्हें हो जाए, means after following all those things definitely you will find that everything becomes okay. Okay. You know what are the reason behind that? Because already there were many things that were kept in resides in you, but despite that you were not able to see that what you have, what you had. आपने पता कि आपके पास क्या था, but when you people starts listening to any Mahatma, when people starts hearing any personality, if you people starts following an ideal person, so definitely after following that particular person you will find out that now there is some changes in yourself. Okay. After that you will find that now I am learning something. No, you are not learning something from there. Already things were kept there, but you are doing one thing, that just you are revising that thing. Let us suppose, are you getting my point? Let us, sometime it happens just you people sees that someone is doing dinner, and at that time just you feel starts hungry, means आपको भूख लगना शुरू हो जाता है, and you will find, and you will think that now I have to lunch, I have to dinner. So ये होता है ऐसा, मीन्स जैसा हम देखते हैं ऐसा हमारे अंदर एक इंटरेस्ट डेवलप होना शुरू होता है. तो जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. सो द थिंग इज बेसिकली वेरी बेसिक. We all are a knowledgeful person, but either I am feeling I am knowledgeful or not, that depends on in which surrounding you are residing. आप कहाँ रह रहे हो, in which surrounding you are living, आप कहाँ रह रहे हो. Okay. Yeah, definitely I am giving an example, because always in the last, always in at the end of any story I used to prove that. So definitely I will give you an example. So because I am the son of श्रीमद् भागवत महापुराण को मैं अपनी माँ कहता हूँ, मैं उनका बेटा हूँ, तो मैं यू ऑल आर द सन ऑफ श्रीमद् भागवत महापुराण, बट मुझे ऐसा फील होता है कि मैं उनको अपनी माँ मानता हूँ. सो मैं कोई भी चीज़ मीन्स इन एनी फील्ड ऑफ लाइफ ऑलवेज आई यूज टू मेक एग्जाम्पल थ्रू श्रीमद् भागवत महापुराण. सो सी इज my mother. So Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran says one thing that if people remember about the thing, when people talk about Bharat Charitra, so you know na, Bharat ji Maharaj just caring a baby of deer. Deer means hiran. हिरन के बच्चे का वो बहुत ख्याल रखते हैं. And after that the baby of the bear starts living with the Bharat ji Maharaj. So after some time it happens that when the deer looks that there are many, a group of deer were moving there. So when the deer looks that there are many animals like me, it means after looking that animals, just वो जो पर्टिकुलर एनिमल था starts thinking like that I am at the wrong palace. ठीक है, usual I should place there, दिस इज दैट इज माय गुड पैलेस, यानी कि वो मेरा करेक्ट पैलेस है. आई एम एट रॉन्ग पैलेस. सो मैं गलत जगह पे हूँ, मुझे वहाँ रहना चाहिए. ओके, तो जब उससे ये मालूम चला कि मैं गलत जगह पे हूँ, तब जाके वो वहाँ पे अपनी सही जगह पे चला गया और वहाँ से भाग गया. मीन्स आई वॉज explaining this thing because I want to aware you all that already we all are knowledgeful, but in what surrounding we are, just that depends on in what surrounding we are. And let us suppose sometime it happens if people starts thinking like that कि अगर मान के चलिए कि कोई भी एक अच्छा पर्सनैलिटी के साथ आप रहते हो, ठीक है, अच्छा पढ़ाई करते हो, तो डेफिनेटली विल फाइंड दैट यू आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट. एंड व्हाई यू आर इंटेलिजेंट? बिकॉज आपने हमेशा अच्छे लोगों को फॉलो किया, अच्छे इन्वायरमेंट में रहे, ऑलवेज यू सर्वाइव इन द knowledgeful surrounding. So that's why you are behaving like that. But it does not mean that कि आप पहले मूर्ख थे अब होशियार बने, ऐसा नहीं होता. Yeah, definitely some people will say कि after taking knowledge you will be knowledgeful. Yeah, this is correct, but I said also that thing. But one of the thing that I would like to add up in this statement is that yeah, definitely after taking knowledge, let us suppose if I am saying such type of things, definitely after hearing me, after listening me, just people starts thinking that already I know about things, means already you all are aware from the things, but now I am explaining all these things in front of you. Well, after that you will find that yeah, definitely I know, but I am not following. Okay, सुन तो जो मैं इनसे रहा हूँ ये तो बिल्कुल सही है, he is correct, but despite that I am not following. तो हम फॉलो नहीं करते, हम उस सराउंडिंग में नहीं रहते, बट हम जानते सब कुछ है. ओके, अब एक चीज और कह दूँ आपसे, नो वन इज, लास्टली आई वुड लाइक टू से वन थिंग. मैंने आपको बहुत बताया, आई एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग अबाउट द नॉलेज, हु इज नॉलेजफुल. वी ऑल आर नॉलेजफुल because our shastra says that we all are the child of God. So we can't say who is good and who is bad. Okay, so this is not our culture, this should not be our culture. And if we are doing so, so definitely directly or indirectly just you are demoralizing yourselves, not need to do that. And so everyone is knowledgeful. Okay, not need to demoralize anyone. If you are, let us suppose sometime it happens, just people starts demoralizing other if is very intelligent. So you are intelligent because of your environment, because of your surrounding. He was unable to make an entry in that particular environment, that's why he is like this. So you can't blame this, you can't demoralize that particular person, because everything depends on the surrounding in which you are surviving, in which you are residing. So ये surrounding सबको नहीं मिल पाता, that's why people are not able to behave like a intelligent person. Okay, behave like a knowledgeful person. So if we people are doing so, so definitely we are doing wrong. So हमें कभी भी डिफरेंस किसी में नहीं करना चाहिए. अब we all are the child of God, because in the holy book Ramayana, Baba Goswami Tulsidas says one thing, that ईश्वर अंशी जीव अविनाशी चेतन अमल सहज सुख राशि. So we all are the child of God. So not need to say that who is intelligent and who is पुलिस, सब भगवान के बच्चे हैं, सब होशियार हैं, मोर और लेस, बट एवरी वन इज इंटेलिजेंट। सो अब आप आज से ये कहना बंद करना कि मैं नॉलेजफुल नहीं हूँ या वो नॉलेजफुल है, ये है। हर व्यक्ति अपनी अपनी फील्ड में बहुत ज़्यादा वो होता है। एंड सपोज कि अगर कोई पढ़ने में बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं है, इट्स मीन्स दैट कि उसको he didn't get such type of opportunity, that's why he is like this। okay, so that depends on in which surrounding you are living, either you are taking, either you are, आपको अच्छा इन्वायरमेंट मिला कि नहीं है, तो सब ये सारी चीज़ें उस पर डिपेंड करती है। छोटा मुंह बड़ी बात, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बात कह दी मैंने। और ऑलवेज मैं आपसे ये कहता हूँ कि मैं हमेशा सिंपल बोलता हूँ और बहुत जो बोलता हूँ, एवरीथिंग दैट आई एम स्पीकिंग फ्रॉम दिस व्यासपीठ, सो डेफिनेटली this is not only for you, all for me also, for my family also, because I am as like you, I used to make a video for my interest, that's why I am making this video। So are you getting my point? Thank you so much।